Today's video is on the top 3 best garden border edgings. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Jeria No-Dig Landscape Edging Kit. Want to give your garden a fresh new look without all the back-breaking work? This garden edging border kit might be just what you need to add charm and order to your outdoor space without breaking a sweat. Here's what you get. The kit comes with a 33-foot long roll of lawn edging that's 2 inches high, along with 30 sturdy spikes to help you keep everything in place. It gives you everything you need to create a neat and cozy garden. Keep in mind that a hammer isn't included, so you'll need to have one handy. One of the best things about this kit is how easy it is to install. There's no digging required at all. Just roll out the edging where you want it and push the included spikes into the ground. That's it. You don't have to worry about pulling out a shovel or tearing up your lawn. This means you can set up the border in a matter of minutes, saving yourself both time and effort. Whether you're new to landscaping or just want something quick and simple, this no-dig feature is a game changer. But there's more than just easy setup. This edging kit is all about customization. The flexible plastic material can be bent, shaped, or trimmed however you like. Want to create a circular flower bed? No problem. Thinking about a heart-shaped design around your roses? Go for it. Whether your garden has sharp corners or smooth curves, this edging will work with your layout, not against it. You can shape it into rounds, squares, arcs, or anything in between. That kind of flexibility makes it a great choice for anyone who loves adding a personal touch to their yard. And let's talk about durability. Just because it's flexible doesn't mean it's flimsy. The edging is made from a strong plastic material that stands up to outdoor conditions. It won't crack under pressure, fade in the sun, or rot like wooden borders. Once it's in place, it stays there. It's designed to last through seasons of sunshine, rain, and everything in between. Of course, your garden isn't just for looks. It's a place where plants grow, where you walk, where kids and pets might play. This edging helps with all that too. It keeps things neat and well-defined, making sure your grass doesn't grow into your flower beds, and weeds stay where they belong, out of sight. It also adds a nice visual boundary that makes your yard look more structured and well cared for. You can use this border kit in all kinds of outdoor spaces: flower gardens, vegetable patches, pathways, courtyards, lawns, or even around shrubs and trees. It's incredibly versatile, and once you start using it, you'll probably think of more ways to make your yard look even better. So if you're ready to take your garden from scattered to stunning without a shovel in sight, this garden edging border kit makes it easy. Hit subscribe like you're laying down the cleanest garden edge in the neighborhood. Number 2, best overall, EasyFlex No-Dig Landscape Edging. Want to give your yard a clean, professional look without paying for a landscaper? Here's your secret weapon, the original no-dig lawn edging. It helps you shape and define your outdoor space with ease. And the best part? You don't have to dig a single hole. That's right, this edging goes in smoothly and stays put. No shovel is needed. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, you're going to love this. Just place the edging around your garden or raised flower beds, then grab a rubber mallet and tap the included spikes through the tabs. In just a short time, you've got a secure, tidy border that looks like a pro did it. It's a simple project with long-lasting results. Now let's talk about the material. This edging is made from recycled plastic, which makes it both environmentally friendly and incredibly tough. It's flexible enough to shape into smooth curves if your garden layout isn't all straight lines. Or if you prefer a more formal look, it lays flat and strong in a straight line. Either way, it molds to your design. Plus, it comes with specially designed spiral spikes that go deep and resist frost heave, rain, and ground movement. That means it won't pop up or shift after a storm or a long winter. Worried about ongoing maintenance? Don't be. This edging was built to handle it all. It can stand up to the whirring of string trimmers, extreme temperature changes, and the natural push and pull of the soil beneath it. You won't need to constantly adjust or replace anything. At most, you might want to give it a quick once-over with the seasons, just to keep everything looking fresh and clean. Inside the kit, you'll get one 40-foot coil of durable lawn edging and 16 8-inch anchoring spikes. One tip for best results: always use a rubber mallet to drive the spikes into the ground. And while the edging is built to last, a little seasonal maintenance will help keep everything looking sharp year after year. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Set of 8 raised garden bed corner brackets. Want to build a strong, beautiful raised garden bed without all the hassle? These raised bed corner brackets make the job easier, faster, and way more reliable. Let's break down why they're such a game changer. First off, they're made from heavy-duty carbon steel. This stuff is tough. Each bracket comes coated with an anti-rust finish, so they'll stand up to the weather without breaking down. They're thick, durable, and not easily bent or broken. Plus, they can handle a lot of weight, so your garden structure will stay put no matter how big your plants grow. You'll get all the hardware you need too, which makes putting them together super simple. Now here's where it gets even better. The upgraded version takes things to the next level. Compared to basic models on the market, these have extra thickness and more hardness. That means even more strength and stability. And with a sleek, simple design, they're not just practical, they look nice. Your raised beds won't just work better, they'll impress your friends, neighbors, and anyone who passes by. The size is another win. These brackets are 11 inches tall, with corners formed at 3 by 3 inches. That makes them perfect for building garden beds that are 20 to 24 inches tall. Want to go even taller? No problem. You can stack them. You'll give your plants tons of room to grow, and with higher walls, you won't have to worry about weeds creeping in or constantly bending over to tend to your garden. One clever feature is the double row staggered screw holes. This layout makes the corners even stronger and more stable. The set includes plenty of high-quality wood screws. No need to run out and buy extras. They're sharp, clean, and easy to drill in, which means less frustration and more time enjoying your garden. Plus, those extra details add a touch of beauty and a bit of safety too. And don't forget the practical combo you're getting. The set includes 8 strong steel corner brackets, 24 long screws, and 88 short screws. That's everything you need to easily join wooden panels and strengthen your raised bed corners. These brackets give your beds that extra stability you want. Plus, with 8 pieces, they're a perfect fit for all kinds of 90-degree angle projects. So ready to build a raised garden bed that's sturdy, stylish, and super easy to put together? These corner brackets might just be your new favorite tool. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.